morning, everyone. Hello. Sorry I'm late, but I'm here. How's it going? I was a little bit busy this morning, to be honest. Extremely busy. All right, Mark, hello. Welcome back. Bill Hovens, good to see you, man. Cyril, good to see you too. Dominic, how's it going? Marco, welcome. Curry Fishbowl, good to see you guys. So we're back. We are back. Again, sorry for the late start. I was extremely busy. All right. What is happening? What is going on? What happened during Asia? It seems like there was a bit of a sideways action there. Right? Let me start up my indicators this morning. All right. Hey, Laszlo, you want to get good morning. We are so back. Hey, Ollie. Sorry for the delay. Again, I usually start at 2 a.m., but now I was super busy. Super busy. So it seems like Asia session was pretty much going sideways here. Let's put an Asia high level somewhere here. Asia high, yeah, that would be good. Vinod Kumar, hello, good morning. Investor, hello. Investor 001. I love the name. I'm sorry guys, I still don't know why YouTube is not doing anything with the custom handles. No idea. But anyway, let's see what else is happening in our world today or tonight. Okay, there's not much. Technically, we have, by the way, a very small demand zone here on the 1 minute. I don't know if that counts or not. Doesn't really matter too much, I think. What else do we have? We're in drawdown. Nice. 700 win. Nice. Thank you for sending it. Let's check it. Awesome. Awesome. Oh, I see it. Nice levels there, Dominic. Cool. Absolutely great levels. I like it. Clean chart. Like the level. Looks great, man. Ron, hello. Flatbed Coop, hello. All is good. Welcome back. I see. CS, good morning. Oh, I see. Yeah. Hey, Randall. Yeah, yesterday was definitely shitty. I'm going to tell you guys a story. I passed 2 core funded accounts last Friday. Don't tell this to anyone. It's a secret. At MyFundedFutures, I managed to pass 2 core accounts on Friday. Actually, I did it live on MyFunded TV stream. Yesterday was the first day on Monday that I was trading on them. And guess what happened? I blew it. All the 2 accounts, both funded accounts, I blew it up in the New York PM session. New York PM session, I blew up the brand new 0-day funded account. So it just happened. I don't know what the hell is going on with me. I mean, I lost control. I was on tilt. And imagine that I could blew the funded account and I am limited down to 10 micros. I blew the funded account with 10 micros. Crazy, right? Anyway. Running for the hills, hello. Welcome. Hey, don't worry about that, Curry Fishbowl. It happened. I got chopped up with 10 micros. That's it. Bitcoin is a long for a good run up. Oh, really? For 1,000 points? Let's check it. It could go. There are some good levels up there. Oh, yeah. I like this. Could go. Swept some lows here, running higher. Yeah, why not? Yeah. Looks good. I can include 1 micro if I need, yeah. Yeah, it kind of happens. I don't know. I'm not, you know, Malo, it's not a, I mean, yeah, it's not good, but it's not like, so if I would have blown like an account that I was working on for like months, that would definitely be emotionally not too good. It was a brand new account, a brand new, actually two funded accounts, because they were copy traded. So these two were copy traded, so brand new funded accounts. I don't know. It was hard to deal with the chop. I don't even remember how it happened. I know it was PM session. Oh yeah, here, something here. I don't even remember what I want. Oh yeah, I think I wanted to go short here. I think it started at lunch hour. Then it went back up there. Then I wanted to go long. And then it took me out, and then something here. Anyway, by 3 p.m. it was over. it was over by 3 p.m. I lost $90 yesterday. My first losing day in over. Oh my gosh, that Randall, that's actually very good. First losing day in over a month. Wow. Yeah, exactly. Oh, I'm over it, guys. Don't worry about it. I'm over that. So it happened yesterday. I was a little bit pissed off after the PM session. I was a little bit pissed off, but I'm over it now completely. Yeah, a couple of micros. 15 micro long on Bitcoin. Nice. Let's go, Randall. Yesterday I was, yes, 1 funded and 1 pro eval, but it's okay. Yeah. And we're moving on, everybody. We're moving on. I don't know what happened. It was due to emotions. I should have just accepted the 2 losses and just move on. I think it just, you know, disturbed me that it's a brand new funded account, and I immediately started to relatively big loss, and I wanted to make it back real quick. So the reason is I couldn't, you know, I could not deal with those emotions. I couldn't accept the loss, like on a brand new funded account. Like I could not accept the loss on the first day, on the first trading day. So again, emotions. I could have walked away with like a negative $400 or $500 easy on both of the accounts each. So I would still be left with like at least $1,500 for today, but I just couldn't. I didn't. I kept on pushing it. Kind of crazy. Kind of crazy how emotions can take over. Ah, you want an account? Let's go, frequency. Oh yeah. Hey, business lens, no giveaway today. Two of my really good traders got trades like taken out as well. Interesting there, yeah. Randall, I don't know. This is kind of crazy. Yeah, losses are part of the game. That's the thing. So I had many days when I was down like $500 on any given funded account, and I was easily walking away from that. Like, okay, it happened. Let's get back tomorrow. I think yesterday the problem on my end was like I couldn't accept the fact that on a brand new funded account, and they were connected, so basically two brand new funded accounts, I'm starting out with this kind of loss on the first trade on the first day. Actually, the first two trades on the first day. So it's, I don't know. It's kind of crazy. House always wins. Yeah, Peter. My live account working 6 months ago. That's good, Gabor. That's very good. Hey, Zacromancer, good to see you. So, just a second. Okay. All right, not much is happening here. Gabor is super. Gabor is saying net profit is almost $2,000. That's amazing. That's discipline right there. Limit order, sell NQ. Yeah, sure, 728. Okay. I think that could be an Asia high right there, right? Interesting, like this is like not just Asia high, but it's also, it technically is also a supply zone on the 1 minute. Anyway, I'm gonna mark that level just in case. Let's mark this level up and see what's gonna happen. I like that Asia level up there. That would be a 1 minute supply zone. Okay. If we can get through, there's another one. 20 points away. Previous low got taken out on gold. Oh, and we do have a absolutely beautiful textbook. Supply zone on gold. Looks really good. Okay. That's on the 1 minute. All right, I like it. I might going to put an alert on gold. All right. So let's see. Maybe we can get something from this move. You know, if it would like to stretch higher, to that Asia high, I might be interested to jump in. We'll see. Why not? All right, see you later, Gabor. Thank you so much for being here. Roth, hello there. What's up? Good morning, Martin. Hello, Yonix. Welcome there. Sparta, welcome to the stream. How's it going? By the way, I was thinking, guys, I don't know what you guys, I don't know your opinion, but how about there would be a stream statistic of those trades that we take here on stream. So I always show you guys what trades I'm taking, and obviously that would mean that I immediately call the trades out at the entry. And, you know, we would be having some sort of a stream statistic, like how we are doing with the trades so far, like how many winners, losses, maybe not dollar wise, because I'm managing multiple accounts. So it would be hard to track the accounts, you know, but like we are up 5R or down 2R or 1R, or I don't know. And by 1R, you can decide how much risk you want to add on to that, like 1% gain or risk or a certain dollar amount, whatever. I think that could be something good that we can track our progress and, you know, to see how we're doing on the stream. Looking for a break on gold. Yeah, me too. Me too, Sparta. Last London session. Yeah, December could be tricky for London. Yeah, I think it could be good. Yeah, good idea, right? Thank you, Randall. Yeah, Roth, you know, well, I do not recommend anyone to follow the trades here on stream. I strongly advise against it. But so far, I mean, recently, I tracked my journal and the streams, and I would say, like, for example, the incident yesterday that I blew up the funded account after the stream in the PM session, that was my own stupid thing happening off stream. But when I was checking the streams, like in the past couple of weeks and months, by the way, we were doing not so bad. I mean, I can imagine that many streamers are doing great out there, but hey, we were doing quite good as well. You know, risk to reward wise, trade management wise, you know, levels were correct many times. So why not just track this and see how it goes? That's what I thought. You know, will London flush gold? Good question. I love to see gold moving higher. So if gold would move, I'd be interested to take a long position. That would be something I'm interested in. That's why I put an alert here. Look at that. Can it move finally? Maybe. In order for me to enter a gold trade, yeah, I need a strong move. Yeah, we could do that. With my trade, I do with offer social, I do on instrument and price is fast. Yeah. Do you track trades manually or you? I'm tracking trades manually. I tried to use a software like TradeZilla, or what was the other one? I don't know. There was another one that I tried. The problem is I'm using most of the time Rhythmic connection. And for Rhythmic, I have to upload everything manually to TradeZilla and TradesViz. Yeah, TradesViz, that was the one. basically the same as TradeZilla. So I was uploading everything manually, and after a few days it was so annoying, like, oh, I have to export the data from Rhythmic Trader Pro, and then I have to upload the data manually to TradeZilla, and this was just super time consuming and energy consuming. Like, there's no automated way to do it. And yeah, maybe I should, I don't know, but hey Peter, what's up? Yeah, I think so too, Dominic. There, it has some positive effect, that's for sure. Yeah. Oh, I see. Accidentally. Yeah, it happened with me as well. AJ, it happened with me too. Me too. I'm a little bit sleepy as well. I'm also a little bit sleepy. Sell NQ at 580. What? Or 680? 680 maybe, right? Good morning, Michael. Hello. Is gold a good market for London? I think it's not a bad market. I mean, gold can move very nicely, not just in London, but Asia session too. Not all the time, obviously. But, you know, when NQ is not moving at all, it doesn't seem like the worst idea. I mean, I had worst ideas. Trying to figure out if this would make sense to short this. I mean, there was a small liquidity sweep here, and we have a demand zone. Maybe not the best idea. And there was a fair value gap here, right there. All right, I took a short. This would be the probe trade of the day. So I guess we'll see how it goes. I don't even know where it is. Here it is. Actually, yeah. Trying to go for that 1 minute zone down there. If it turns around and goes back to Asia high, that's fine too. It's a very small one and tight stop, so no problem with that. And there she goes. There she goes. That's one loss for the day. Okay, then I will be checking for the Asia high then. It seems like it. I'm not going to hold this trade if it goes higher, because then it seems like we're going for Asia high. It seems, yeah, most likely. Yeah. Going for Asia high, it seems like. But how far? There is a small zone at 705 on the 1 minute. Could go for it, but anyway, this was a loss. That's it for the probe trade. Better to stay out from this market for now. Yeah. Okay. Let's wait. Hey, good morning, Fangwoods. What's up? Ah, that was a okay. That's a wrap again. All right. See you tomorrow, Malo. Thanks for joining us. Nice. 700 times 5. Awesome, awesome. Okay. 704. Yeah, because this other level is here. And that is another supply zone right there. So we'll see. Not too far. And of course, there is this consolidation area. So even if we're going up there, it could be having a hard time pushing through here. I don't know. Camille, what's going on, man? How you doing, man? What's up, Camille? Ah, you keep the position. All right. Yeah, let's wait for this. Okay, still going sideways. Just sideways action here. All right. I'm happy that you're doing good. Mix my scoffing with daily position trading or minor sec. That's actually could be a good strategy there, because it has a bit of a, you know, discretionary thing as well. Stay above 684. I think of that holds. Yeah. Stats, hello. What's up? Good morning, Nissim. Hello. Oh yeah, just waiting for this to come out from this range. It seems like Enku is not moving too much. And again, I mean, there is a level on the 1 minute here. And that would be 705.75. Yeah. So we'll see. Majova TV, hello, good morning. Rocky Mountain Traders, welcome. Good to see you, man. How's it going? Good morning, Caesar. Hello. Waiting for London Open. Oh, yeah. Seems like there's not much else we can do. I'm actually a little bit interested if this would go for that 1 minute supply zone. Now that we broke higher and this is an up close candle, and that's kind of cool. Okay, maybe we can do something here. Maybe not. Okay, now what is going on? Thank you is a little bit sleepy, yes. It is. Oh, there's a trap there. Yeah, it's very ugly. I don't like it either. It's just super ugly. Let's see, 722. Can we go up to 722? Took a small long position. I know, I know. I know. Just in case if this would go to that Asia high. Let's see, let's hope. If not, I might be done for this session. Long as the play, just not sure if it's worth the risk. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's a small position I just took on, so very small. If it's not going anywhere, I might just leave it as it is. Yeah, it seems like it's not going. Yeah, it could, they could flush it any moment. That's the problem. Yeah, I'm also still watching on gold. There's an absolutely great zone up there. It would be awesome to try to take a trade. Can I do it with one micro? I think I can. So here's the trade. Gold wants to go. Oh my god, I'm so tired, guys. I don't know if I can make it to the end of the stream. Really, no troll. I might just gonna wait for London Open and call it a session. I'm so tired. Good morning, Trade Survivor. What's up? Yeah, I was partying hard. Yeah. I was up late, to be honest. Yeah, the trade is going against me. I have a buy limit on gold at 4209.4. Oh, here it is. So I have a buy limit here on gold at 4209.4. Kind of using this fair value gap here. I might gonna go to sleep, by the way. Yeah, Randall. I might go into, you know, rest a little bit, sleep or something, meditate. Honestly, guys, I am feeling a little bit burned out today. After yesterday, I mean, not that it really matters too much. So if you guys are just joining the stream, I said earlier, like yesterday, I blew up 2 funded accounts, brand new funded accounts that I passed on Friday, no trades. And the first 2 trades were losses, and these were connected, copy traded. But that's not, I'm not really, you know, it's not about the funded account. It's the fact that, you know, the mindset. But don't worry. I think it's just because I'm tired. That's the reason, the main reason. I need to sleep more. Okay, I got tagged in the gold trade. Let's see. On gold, I want to see us go up to, I know it's far, 42.30. Oh. $42.30. And my stop loss is gonna be down there. Okay, so this is the gold trade. So I do have enough room for this trade to play out. Both trades are 1 to 2R. NQ is going down here at the London Open, almost at London Open. We'll see. I think here. All right, so these are the trades. Yeah, that's an order. Yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. I think so. But it's so exciting to see the charts. It's so exciting, you know. Okay, so that's the alert on gold. All right. Interesting. I was expecting a stronger push up there from NQ. Anyway. I was watching some videos this morning. Guys cry on the videos on day trading. Oh no. Yeah. No, I'm okay. I mean, it's just, I'm just tired. That's all. I just need a good sleep. Exactly. It does. It causes you lots of fatigue, you know. You definitely need to be, I mean, you need to relax. I mean, I'm not just saying like sleeping, but sometimes you need to just, you know, do a power nap or just sit down, meditate, or just read a book or watch a TV show or just go out for a walk or something. You definitely need something to help you out, or not to help you out, but you make the mindset rest up a little bit, you know. Yeah, we have FOMC, so gotta watch out for that. Your projection on the 5, let's go. I I watched something that's similar to YouTube. Oh my gosh. That's yeah, imagine trading with slop. Yeah. Heavy metal is good too. I remember when I was watching that movie called The Big Short. Christian Bale was playing Michael Burry, and he was listening to heavy metal all the time. And I actually I looked after it, like, because I like movies, and I was like, and the creators of the movie told that Michael Burry said that he actually listens super heavy metal music, like this absolutely pure heavy metal music, on the loudest volume when he's analyzing the books and charts and stuff like that. So when he's immersed into the numbers and everything, he just turns on the volume to maximum and he's listening to heavy metal, the real Michael Burry. And so the creators liked it so much that they put it to the movie. So this was more authentic and unique in this way. It's kind of interesting. You know. Need some glutathione. Ah. I think so. You got the idea from there. Nice. There you go. That would drive me mental. Yeah, Trade Delicious. Hello. Where are you trading? No name. I don't understand. Freddy. Where are you trading? No name. No name? Oh, you mean there's no no watermark? Sorry, I might have forgot to put the watermark. Now you see it. What are you trading? On the left side, you see gold. On the right side, you see NQ. And you see my open positions up there. Gold and NQ. There you go. Sorry, yeah, yesterday I forgot to put on the names as well. The idea was on gold to go for that supply zone up there. It didn't go for it yet. All right. Fading me, no. Permabear. You're short, thank you. Yeah. No problem. I understand. I understand. No problem there. Trading Star, good morning. Hello. How's it going, man? How's trading nowadays? 90% of the time I trade NQ, 10% of the time, or like I would say 80% of the time I trade NQ, 20% of the time I trade gold. Yeah. Trade survivor, yeah. Not good. Yesterday was not too good. Trust me. Trading Star, yesterday was absolutely crazy day. 4 ticks forward, 5 ticks backward. Sloppy. Yeah, it's definitely sloppy. It is a sloppy price action. It is. It's really unfortunate that this is the way it is, but yeah, that's 100%. Many traders will be trapped. These are long positions, as you can see here on the up left. Everything is long here. Oh yeah, sorry, you mean the trap. Yeah, sorry. You see, I'm sleepy. Yeah, everybody's gonna get trapped. By the way, both longs and shorts. I'm just saying at the end. You blew all yesterday. Oh, old you is back. Trading Star, trust me. I blew, I just said it earlier in the stream. On Friday, I passed two core accounts on MyFundedTV Live. And so I got the credentials at the same day. So yesterday, Monday, was the first day for trading those brand new core funded accounts. The first time I started to trade on them was in the PM session. First two trades were losses. Then I got tilted and blew both of the funded accounts. On the first day, I blew both funded accounts yesterday. So kind of crazy, right? Trust me, man. I'm also a little bit like stepping sideways here. And it's not because I don't understand the market. That's the issue. That's the biggest problem. I understand what's happening. I can fairly say that I have a good understanding of the market. It's only because emotional things. Only that. Not because I don't understand my strategy or the levels. I know it. It's only because I couldn't accept the losses. I could not deal with the loss. It's just kind of a thing. Hey, don't worry about that, Trading Star. Don't, it's fine. I'm okay with, I mean, I'm through with that. I was a little bit pissed off yesterday in the PM session off stream. It's way in the past now. Yeah, that's true, Dan. Many traders don't trade December. I checked a lot of data from last year and from 23 as well. Like December, we're having quite decent volume, and you know, around Christmas. I mean, the other week we checked it here on the stream as well. Around the Christmas holidays, the movement was quite decent, even in London session. In German, we call that okay, revenge trade. Okay. One of the biggest struggles to accepting losses, especially when trades were, yeah. I couldn't accept the loss. I was so not in the mood because, you know, first day on the brand new evaluation accounts, and they were copy traded, so connected. First trade was a stupid loss because anyway. Second trade, also a loss, but a little bit bigger loss because of poor risk management. So 2 losses, both accounts were down nearly $600 each. And I was like, man, 2 trades down more than $500 each. What the hell am I doing? And that would have been the point. Like, okay, I think I should just walk away because these are brand new funded accounts. Let's come back the next day. And I didn't. I kept on pushing it, you know, quickly make it back. And it was not because the market or anyway, it was only me. Only me. Kind of crazy to think about it. It's because of the fact that I have good understanding of the market, so it's very hard to accept that you're wrong. The same with me as well. And I understand you there completely. Because you know you have a good understanding and you cannot accept the fact like what the heck just went wrong, right? Better day. I know. Don't worry about it, Simba. I am completely. So I'm not licking my wounds or anything. I'm moving on. I still have funded accounts. I'm just, you know, it's just, you know, it's kind of disturbing. Do you use MITI breakers? What does that mean? Mini breakers or MITI breakers? I don't know. I blew 1 funded and 4 evals. Oh, Lucid. Oh, you were up 1,000? Oh, after 2 trading days. I wanted to. Yeah, so trading started. The greed struck in there, right? Yeah, that's so typical in trading. It's so typical. But it still comes down to probabilities. Yes, exactly. All we're doing, yeah, we are in uncertainty all the time. And we're just taking these educated guesses in the market. Exactly, Trade Survivor, exactly. Guys, I would like to apologize beforehand, but I don't think I'm gonna sit this one through. So I'm gonna leave the trades on as it is. My TP and stop losses are going to remain the same. You can take a screenshot if you want. But I think I'm gonna call it here. I am so tired. I'm actually having trouble speaking. So I shouldn't even trade it today. So my TP is going to remain the same on gold 42.30, on NQ 722. And I need to get some rest, guys, because I'm so tired. I can barely be here. So I'm gonna get some rest, and I'll try to come back, of course, for a New York session. I'm gonna have a power nap or something. I don't know. I drank my coffee. I feel nothing, so I feel like I'm gonna fall asleep immediately. I'm super tired, guys. I am very tired. So I'm gonna leave everything. I mean, I'm gonna shut down the stream, but these trades are gonna stay the same. I'm not gonna mess around with the stop. I'm not gonna move the stop. whatever, you know, if it takes out the stop, I don't care. I'm fine. So with that, I wish you guys a good rest of the evening or morning. Sorry for the short stream, but I'm super tired. I'll be back for New York. And if you would like to support the channel, please use the code TOMSABO up there. It definitely helps me out a lot, and I do appreciate it, and I'm very grateful for it. So the code is TOMSABO everywhere at these prop firms: Apex, Bulenox, MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Trader, check it out, Lucid Trading, FundingTicks, TRADEIFY, whatever. Thank you so much, and I'm sorry again, I'm just super tired. Very, very tired, everybody. So I'll be back for New York. Be safe, and let's see how these trades will turn out, right? Okay, God bless you all. Stay safe.